Today I am making the most luxurious, creamy, delicious pistachio ice cream at home, and trust me, once you try this, you are never going back to store-bought ice cream again. Let's start the recipe. We are starting with the base. In a bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream. Now gently whisk the heavy cream until it becomes smooth and creamy. You don't want hard texture here, just a soft, silky texture. This step is what gives the ice cream that rich melt in your mouth feel. Take your time with it. You will see it transfer into this beautiful thick cream. Now in another bowl we are building all the flavor. Add 1 cup of sweet condensed milk. This is going to give sweetness and that classy creamy texture without needing an ice cream machine. Then add 2 teaspoons of a cardamom powder. This adds such a warm aromatic flavor. It really takes the pistachio to another level. Now add the star ingredient, half cup of pistachio cream. This is what gives that deep nutty rich pistachio flavor, makes everything really well. Now comes the most important step, folding. Take your whipped cream and slowly fold it into this mixture. Don't rush this part. Use gentle motion so we keep all that air inside. This is what makes the ice cream light and creamy instead of dense. Keep folding until everything is fully combined and smooth. Now for a little texture, add 3 tablespoons of chopped pistachios. This adds the perfect crunch in every bite. Give it one final gentle mix. Now transfer this into a container. Smooth out the top so it freezes evenly. And now the hardest part, waiting. Place it in a freezer for at least 8 hours, but honestly overnight is best for that perfect scoopable texture. You can also pour this into mold and make pistachio ice cream bar. Same texture, same freezing time, so good for summer. After freezing, take it out. Look at that. Now perfectly creamy, rich and smooth ice cream. It's ready. Scoop it into a bowl. You can also already see how soft and luscious it is. Finish with of dark chocolate and crushed pistachios on top, and that's it. Your homemade pistachio ice cream is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in my next recipe. Until then, bye.